Hi guys, today my daughter is about to teach you the things she's doing in order to treat her constipation problem. So, what are the things what are the yoga poses that you do, ate? Yoga poses. Yan.
Tulong!
Yan. Yan ang yoga poses niya guys para ma-relieve ang constipation niya. After that, utot na siya ng utot.
Okay, alam ko. Paano?
Ano pa? What are the other yoga poses?
Gumagano'n.
Yan. It's 5 minutes. Ay 1 minute.
Ito naman. Ito.
Yan. Yoga poses. Yoga poses to treat constipation problem. Pa.
Next. Ito.
Next. Yung parang uod na.
Ay!
Ito malikot. Nakdito ka lang.
Ito, dito. Aso.
Yan. Dog style. Hindi ate, baba mo yung likod mo. Yan.